Hello everyone, welcome to Abhyaas LawPrep. So today we have come up with a new NLU which has released its vacant seats recently. So it is NLU Tripura. So they did not mention any number of seats, but they have given the dates and application fee, everything. So let's look into details. So in the Google, just click NLU Vacancies 2026. So a dedicated page from Abhyaas LawPrep will be appeared in the first instance, where you will get the updates of all the NLUs who has released the vacant seats. So after clicking on this, check the vacant seats here. Then if you scroll down, all the NLUs who has released the vacant seats will be appeared at one go. So recently we have uploaded the NLUs vacant seats of different earlier it is the DNLU etc. So today we are with NLU Agartala Tripura. So here it is the link. So simply click apply here, so that Google form will be available. So you can make the payment, you can fill your details, you can upload all your documents in this particular form. After submitting, your candidature will be enlisted into the particular NLU's database. So what are the details here? The last date is June 15, 5 p.m. So there are no number of vacancies available. They did not mention anything, but if you apply, your candidature will be listed and the result will be given on June 16. So the application fee, irrespective of your category, either whether you are general category or reserved category, for everyone, the application is 1500 rupees. So don't wait for please apply your details in the particular Google form if you appeared for CLAT 2026. So for more information, stay tuned to Abhyaas LawPrep. Thank you.